How to remove watermark from video with Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove watermark from video with Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Once you get into the app, click on Project from Edits. Then tap on the timeline of the video and click on the stickers icon from the bottom bar. You can choose different stickers or emojis from here. After choosing the emojis, you can increase the size of it, then place it over the watermark of the video. Then click to save the project. Now from CapCut, tap on Settings icon from the top right corner. Turn off the Add Default Ending option from here. Then click back on the video you edited earlier. Play the video and stop where you can see the watermark. Then click on Effects from the editing bar and tap on the Video Effects option from here. Now search for Blur Effect, then select the Blur Effect. Once you added the Blur Effect, tap on Object from the editing bar. Then your video will get blurred from that specific part where you added the blur effect. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.